Two performance machines, Apache RTR 310 versus R15. The Apache RTR 310 dominates with a 312.12 cc engine, 35.6 PS power, and 28.7 Nm torque. The Apache RTR 310 boasts advanced ride modes, a TFT display, and optional cruise control. For mileage, the R15 V4 shines at 45 kmpl, making it significantly cheaper for everyday commutes. The R15 V4 is more accessible, at around 1,96,000 rupees. Choose the Apache RTR 310 for raw power and features. Subscribe for more comparisons. Comment below, what bike should we compare next?